A suspected Chinese spy balloon was shot down by the American military on Saturday off the coast of North Carolina after flying over important military locations. China said there had been an accident involving a civilian aircraft during the flyby and threatened consequences. Although he wanted the balloon brought down even earlier, on Wednesday, President Joe Biden issued the order. According to U.S. officials, he was told that the operation would be best performed over water. Military experts concluded that dropping it down over land from a height of 60,000 feet would put people on the ground in unnecessary danger. The United States was chastised for its obvious overreaction and serious violation of international law, to which China replied that it reserved the right to take additional actions.